Apple TV buffering is usually not one mysterious Apple TV problem. The article traces it to your network, Wi-Fi interference, old tvOS software, background apps, or a single streaming service having trouble. Fix the chain in that order. Start with a real speed check. Run fast.com from a phone or laptop on the same Wi-Fi as the Apple TV. The goal is to see whether your actual home connection has enough headroom for the quality you are trying to stream. Then restart both ends of the connection. Restart Apple TV from Settings, System, Restart. Power cycle the router for 30 seconds, then give it a couple of minutes to reconnect before you test the same stream again. Ethernet is the strongest fix in the article. A wired connection bypasses wall interference, crowded Wi-Fi bands, and signal drops. The Apple TV 4K has gigabit Ethernet, while some older setups may need an adapter. If you have to stay wireless, clean up the Wi-Fi path. Use 5 GHz when possible. Move the Apple TV closer to the router. Pause big downloads and consider mesh Wi-Fi if the TV sits far from a single router. Software still matters. Update tvOS because Apple patches streaming bugs in normal releases. Then double-press the TV button and swipe away background apps. So Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, or Apple TV Plus are not all holding resources at once. If the stream still cannot hold, temporarily lower Apple TV video output to 1080p SDR, disable any VPN, and only then consider a factory reset. The reset works, but it erases apps, accounts, and settings. The full Apple TV buffering checklist, including Ethernet setup, Wi-Fi cleanup, app fixes, and reset steps, is on smarttvs.org.